How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I have an exciting ticker I want to talk about, and that is FISKER, FSR. And I want to show you exactly what I look for the bottoms to make those quick rebounds, corrections, as you call it, and to make decent profit and keep repeating and repeating and finding stocks like this. But before I get into it, let me show you guys. I have a premium Discord. It's only $6 a month, and I go exactly over the system here with my best entries and an exit plan when I get in. Only $6. You'll find my favorite stocks in there. It'll be in the YouTube comments and the description of YouTube. Now everyone's freaking out. I did make a video about this stock when it was down here at the low range on the daily, right in here about 50. It was about 50, yeah, 50 cents. And what I was telling people is I want the price to hit the green band. It never did, so unfortunately I was never in. And if it did, I would have definitely got in. But as you can see, we have a common run up to earnings. Earnings was today after hours, and we had this big massive run up, making over 20% gains easy, and then we get to this blue band. But let me talk about this theory and how we can avoid a lot of bad trades. No system's perfect. I do want to put that disclaimer out, but there is a lot that you can learn from this system on how to get nice entries and how to size in and avoid candles that you shouldn't be trading. So the bottom band is your green band. That is a buy zone. It doesn't mean you get in right away. There's a lot of other things you want to look at. The red band is a sell zone, and the blue band is where price has to go back to. It will correct, and it has always done. As you can see, when price gets down, it goes up, corrects, goes down, and then finally almost corrects, but then it finally corrects right here after earnings. So let me show you where I did trade this thing. Right in here was a nice little trade. Right in here, I got in because of the clear penetration, and the most important factor why I got in was a low K, and that's this indicator right here. I look for around a 3 and lower for penny stocks, so this got to a 3.58. I did see this massive downtrend here, and I knew there was going to be a little bump, so I did make decent profit, about 10% right in there, but not really anything to look back to. But what I noticed with this system is once you hit the first middle band, the second middle band is usually the big one, and so then you take the big profit right in here, because that usually means we're going to hit the blue band, and we had this big gap of not hitting the blue band. And like I said, the longer the time frame it hasn't hit the blue band, the swifter and more swift it's going to want to hit it. And so right in here was the next entry, because the K was at 3, so accumulated right in here, went a little down, accumulate some more, and then it went up, making nice little gains. And I do have a nice little accumulation rules, because I do not just put all my shares, all my money into my first ad. I do like to save out, because it is impossible to get the exact bottom, but with this system you can get kind of close, get near the green band, and shoots up. As you can notice, price moves in a wave. It's always hitting this blue band. When it extends too much, it will want to go back. Right here, these big moves down, it gets here, hits this trigger for the buy signal. We get some nice little gains here. Second bounce is always the biggest usually, and then it goes up to the blue band, right? So that's what I'm looking at here. Let me see if I can find a sell signal right in here. FSKER was going up, everyone was liking it, and then it just started going down. I feel like this is honestly a lot of corruption, wrongdoing. Like everyone, like it's supposed to be this solid company, and it's just like after seeing this earning call, hearing it's just like it's just madness, really. And so I'm looking at the after hours here on the 15-minute, and people are wondering like, where's the bottom? So obviously we don't see the daily on the actual market, because it's not there yet. This is after hours earnings. So here's what I can diagnose: the lower band is at 43 cents right now, 0.4368. As you can see right in here, you'll see the lower, the upper, in the middle when I hover over a candle, so 43.68. And then we can see right here the price is at 45.78. So when market opens, we're going to be just hovering over this lower band, making it very close to a buy signal. Like as you can see, when price penetrates, it gets very oversold. Buyers come in. You're gonna get usually these long lower wicks to come back over that bottom band, and that's what you kind of want to see, right? And me personally, I'd be very conservative. 10 to 30% gains is pretty nice because you can keep rinsing and repeating that and you'll get 100% gain over time. So there we go. That's the 15-minute. As you can see, price is just going down. I do like to see this 4 hours. This is really nice because you can use this on all time frames. As you can see, the 4 hours is almost touching the bottom band. So I do think there's very little room to the downside here till you get a bounce, because as you can see right here, we hit it and then started going up right in there. That was a pretty nice entry there. Right in here, hits it, and then like I said, the double bounce, and then you go up. So not much room to the downside based on a technical aspect, and it would be nice to see some positive news for once with this stock, right? It's like, good grief, man. But as you can see, market moves in waves. You go down a lot, goes up. Go down a lot, you go up right in here. Go down a lot for the next leg, you go up. And then we're going to get the next leg down. It's just going down, but you will get corrections, and you can make massive money on those corrections. So it's down 37% after hours. I will definitely be looking to alert this because I do think after this earnings call, it's going to come under the band. There's just no way, because they're not going to make it easy where everyone just hurry ups and buys in, and then they're going to be instantly profitable. I know there's a lot of eyes looking to get in, and people don't really know exactly what is a good price. Well, with my system, I can analyze what is a good price, and that is 43 cents and under. That would be a nice buy zone. The only thing I need to look at is the daily on the K. It is a 63 right now. I do want to see a low K, like I said, at the three range. So I am going to look at that on the daily candle tomorrow. I might have to wait. I think I'm going to wait 3 days after earnings just to see, or it just depends how fast it goes down. I might not be able to resist the 40-cent range of buying shares. So yeah, that's how it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I try to give a nice analysis, very simple, but an approach that's worked for me. A little bit about me. I've been trading over 6 years using this exact system, and it's made me trade full time. Yes, trading is hard. It's never going to be a breeze, and there's going to be bumps on the road, and there's things we cannot expect. But with this system, we can kind of understand where is the bottom. Where are we getting closer to? Is there candles we can avoid? Like all these candles here, you can avoid buying. You can avoid buying all these candles. Obviously, these candles to the blue band. The blue band is like flipping a coin. I tell my followers, once it gets to the blue band, you do not trade it anymore. As you can see, blue band bounce, down. Blue band bounce, down. It's just repeatedly after repeated. Blue band, down, but it will correct to the blue band to make you massive money, because as you can see, just this low here was 20%. But it could keep going further, so but you just don't know, right? So yeah, this is a unique strategy. It's only $6 a month, because I understand these are swing trades, and it could take sometimes a week, sometimes 2 weeks. We never know when the trade is going to pan out. Sometimes they just take some time. So I would like, honestly, all accounts to trade it with $6 a month. I'm sure you can make that back easily in a month, because I'm going to give you exactly my trade alerts, which is right here. I'm going to give you exactly when I enter and exactly when I exit, based on how I've been doing this for years, and my thought process obviously involved. And then there's a setup video of how you can trade, how I do, and then my unique system, get this all set up. There is going to be a longer video on that, because I can't go over all of it in this short video. So there's a whole video just explaining on the unique situations about this system, because there's a lot to discuss, but I just wanted to kind of help the people in FSKER. Yes, it sucks. I understand your pain. I've been in this way back in my day when I would hold through earnings, and I would think they're the best because it's so oversold, and I just think FSKER would go up, and it doesn't. So I know your pain. I lost a lot of money doing that. As I became lost more money, I wanted to find a system, and I wanted to know exactly what I'm doing, because I got tired of losing money, as I'm sure everyone is. And that's how I approached this system. I researched for years, because I'm a bottom reversal player, so I want to look for reversals at discounted shares. I do not want to chase, because I hate the fast fluctuations, and you have to have a tight stop, and usually it gets hit. So I hate day trading. I love the swing trading aspect. Accumulate the shares at discounted prices and sell them when it goes up, just like in this scenario. This scenario when it went up, and then this scenario getting nice little gains of just doing this accumulation, and you can get over 50 to 100% just on this ticker right here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to put the Discord, if you want to join, it's only $6. It'll only be $6. I'll put it into the YouTube comments and into the description of YouTube. And I'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and it is, and I'll pin that in the YouTube comments, and it'll get you right in here to the free chat. When you get into the free chat, just go right in here to the subscriptions tab, and under here there's 3 things. Just click on any of them, and it'll get you in, and it is a little cheaper if you do it on computer. Also, if you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what your average share price. Any type of engagement will help the YouTube algorithm. Share it to other retail traders that desperately need to find a reversal system that actually works and makes it, and it's actually very simple to use. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the Discord. Take care, and peace out.